Welcome from Vinci. Welcome to SB Cosmos. Here you can find vegetarian and vegan recipes. In this video, we are going to see how to make almond, butter and cardamom biscuits. It's an easy recipe with simple ingredients. Let's see the ingredients. Plain flour 150 grams, butter 100 grams cut into cubes, sugar 50 grams, crushed dry roasted almonds 20 grams, cardamom ¼ teaspoon. Method: in a large bowl, cream together the butter and sugar until it is nice and smooth. You can do this either with your hands or using an electric blender. Add in the almonds and cardamom and mix well. Next, add in the flour and mix until all the ingredients are evenly combined together. Make sure you don't overwork with the flour, as the biscuits will not turn out as crumbly. Then sprinkle some flour on your worktop and gently roll out the dough about 5 millimeters thick. Cut them into shapes. And transfer them to a baking tray and refrigerate for around 15 minutes. Now it's time to bake. For a conventional oven, preheat to 160 centigrade. For a fan oven, preheat to 140 centigrade. For a gas oven, preheat to gas mark 3 and bake for around 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. Now the biscuits are ready. Take them out from the oven and leave to cool before serving. And that's it. It's time to enjoy our freshly baked ABC biscuits. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. Bye from Vinci.